Everything is connected. Universe is made in holographic pattern. Now hologram is a pattern which is complete in itself and yet is connected to the next hologram, which is also complete in itself. And another interesting aspect of a hologram is if you do a change in one hologram, it reflects onto the next hologram. So our body, which is made of cells, is basically smaller. Each cell is a small hologram. Now that hologram is connected to other holograms, other cells, so that's how they're all interconnected. And then our body in itself is a bigger hologram, which is connected to the next hologram. Like your hologram is connected to hers, and this is how we all connected. In the end, this whole universe is one big hologram. So that's how we're all connected. You know what, everything basically is all interconnected. You know, they've done many studies on this. There's one is called butterfly effect. There was a study done that what they showed was if a butterfly flaps its wings in Africa, there could be a storm in the US or North America. This is how much we are connected. Now another study, what they did was about, there was this scientist, his name was Cleve Blackster. And what he did was he took plants and he attached, you know what's a lie detector machine, a polygraph machine? How many have seen polygraph, like in TV or movies? Have you seen polygraph machine, guys? Yes? You understand what's a polygraph machine? So polygraph machine is a machine which is attached during interrogation. It's connected with the sweat glands. So they could detect if the person is lying or not depending on the stress. So there's certain imprint on the body. So which has electrodes attached to the, mainly fingers and your armpits. So depending how much a person sweats, that's how it gives out a printout. So what he did was he took the polygraph machine and he attached it to plants. And then he stood next to the plant and he was only thinking, he didn't say it. He said, I'm going to damage the plants. And when he said, I'm going to damage the plants, there was a negative imprint on the plant. So what was happening was, because everything is connected, his thought was being transferred to the plants, and the plants were under stress. So then he thought probably standing too close to the plants. And he moved the plants to the next, like 5 rooms away. Same result. Then what he did was he took the same plants and he started boiling lobsters at certain interval. So he had the plants and a boiling pot with lobsters. When the lobster was being boiled, the plant was under stress, showing again that everything is connected. Another thing what he did was he took the plant whose owner was flying, and when the owner was landing at the airport, the plant got under stress. This is how connected we are to everything. So each one of you are connected. You know, if you remember when you're in a group, right? Somebody takes out a cell phone, everybody else will copy. Because we're all connected. Somebody yawns, everybody else will start yawning, right? So it's so important to smile, which we don't. That's why we have this, we came out with, be the first to smile. Because smile is contagious, And when you smile, we'll get into it, what smile does to you. It's lots of good things. So this basically shows that we're all connected. The whole universe is connected and we all interconnected. That's why, when you see, because the body is all connected too, when we get sick or when people have cancer or some sicknesses, one cell changes and that sick cell is mirrored into the next cells. So that's why one cell kind of transfers the sickness to other cells. But the stronger cell always influences. So you have to be strong in your mind and body so you couldn't influence the others. That's the basis of this whole what we're doing today.